Don't worry, Kayla. Danno Wolfe is in charge now.
You supposed to be the cautious one?
Oh, so now it's my fault we're in prison.
Pretty much. Mugman, you're missing out.
Don't you think I want that? I need permission.
You get the elephant. The monkey and the man with the yellow hat are mine.
Look, you're the one who wanted a high seas adventure.
This is no time for the blame game.
You started the blame game.
Oh.
Well, who even needs a brother? You ate my candy? Get out! Don't come back until you learn some self-control.
Kylie, do something. You're all in my custody now. Don't make me come out of this barrel.
Mugman? What are you doing?
Your new brother is Bow Boy.
Here goes.
Hey, go. Who needs you, Officer Boneface of the Fun Police?
You're still upset, huh?
You motherfucker, you.
Of course I'm still upset. And will be until you replace what you stole.
Oh, hey, Muggsy. I must have climbed into the wrong bed.
Get the fuck out of here.
Are you mad at me or something?
Of course I'm mad at you. How could you do this to me? You knew I was excited about the piano. And now, Woodward loathes you. You made lobster. You're gonna see what happens when you mess with Mugman.
What am I doing wrong?
I think you need to work on your people skills.
Ooh. I bet